Hi, I hope it's working fine. I think something went wrong when I was doing my live video. I don't know. So let me just say what I was saying. Since it didn't record the whole thing, it just recorded my me saying hi and bye, which is weird. Anyway, so I wanted to talk about something I announced yesterday, which was I announced that Evo Creation has its own website now. So um, so, so yeah, I announced a giveaway yesterday for one of my original painting, which is this one, which is called Leaf. This is one of the painting done with just exclusively using palette knife, and this has nice texture to it, and which is nice. I think the lighting is not very great right now, so it doesn't do justice to the piece. But this original piece is 10 by 8 in size. I have ordered three 12 by 18 pieces as a giveaway celebration, which I will be announcing on 22nd of this month, and giveaway will end at the night of 21st, midnight 21st. And 22nd, I haven't figured out the logistic of how I'm going to announce it, but yeah, I'll figure that out meanwhile. So if you are interested, I have the link below, and I posted the link yesterday on my post, and you can just click that and enter your email address, and just you are part of the giveaway. No other information needed. And then of course I thought that since this is a nice way to start, and then why not make it as a regular feature. So so I will be doing a regular giveaways, but then if you are subscribed to the newsletter, which is also, if you can go on my website and subscribe to the newsletter through your email, you will be getting regular updates on any discount, sale, and most importantly any new piece I'm working on, because I love to talk through art. My whole idea of starting Evo Creation was to have a dialogue and conversation through art pieces. As if you have seen my profile on my site, I create art. The inspiration behind is the cultural aspect where I'm from, so that somewhat influences some of the pieces, and other pieces are based on a lot of social issues, and which I have seen and which I think about, and then I feel like art is a good way to talk about and have a conversation and a dialogue regarding those issues. A lot of is focused on women's aspects of women in society and all those, and the other areas which I'm interested in. And I always love to talk about any have a discussion through art. So that's one thing I do. That's so anyway, so what I was saying that as a giveaway, I will be doing print giveaways a monthly basis, but I have decided in between I will be doing original pieces giveaways. But if you are subscribed to the newsletter, you will be getting those updates. Since everybody loves to enjoy art, so why not share my art, original pieces also, with everyone. And I also wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who has been following me so far on all the social media, and I would love to expand Evo Creation family and welcome anyone, any new subscriber, anybody new who want to follow, who have similar passion, who like to discuss things through art, learn different about different culture, or discuss what's going on around us, or anything else related to any aspect of anything they care about, like I do through art. So you can always follow. So that's what I wanted to talk, and basically I wanted to just say that don't miss out on the opportunity to get a free printout of 12 by 18 size printout of this original art piece. Well, thank you, and I'll check. I think I posted the link down below, but I'll double check and post the link. Bye bye. Thank you.